Now I'm going to show you how to actually cover a button to be used as the button that tufts the pillow and creates the really interesting dimension to this pillow. I like the idea of using the silk dupiones for covering buttons because you can really customize the look. Sure, you can buy a lot of great buttons out there, and you can even buy finished piping and cording to use, but rarely are they in silk. And that's what adds that element of luxury to these pillows that I think, and it's why you're taking the class, to learn how to work with silk. So we're going to use our silk dupione for the buttons. You need to go to the fabric store and buy some buttons to cover. They come in little kits, anywhere from several buttons to cover to maybe just 2 to 4. But in this case, you're going to need 2 buttons. The kit that I've chosen is a button that's 1.5 inches in diameter, diameter, that's right. And it also comes with its own little tool, and those are the kits I like to look for. The ones that don't have the tool included are sometimes problematic, but when the tool, the making of it is included, then I like that. Included with the packaging is usually a little template. I actually cut this half circle off of the back cardboard side of the packaging, but I really want to have my full circle. And so I purchased this little set of templates that are plastic, and they're perfect. All the sizes of buttons to cover that are available have a template. I know that I need 1.5 inches because that's what the package told me. And so this is the template, my little circle. I'm going to place it on my fabric in such a way that hopefully I can center some particular color. I could move this around so that I could have a green and copper colored primary button, or a purple one, or more of a green one. But I think I'll go with a little bit of a green, copper, purple combo. I like that. Use some kind of a chalk pencil. Now this is a new tool that I've introduced in this entire class actually, and I'm just beginning to realize how valuable this tool is. Most of the chalks and other pencils that you use are sort of a blurry line, but this is very much like just a regular mechanical pencil, and it actually makes a really nice sharp line that I can see, which of course is the big deal for me. So I've drawn around my plastic template, and now I would use scissors to cut this out. This is too small of a circle really to use a large rotary cutter, so I recommend that you just use some small trimming scissors and begin to cut along this line. I already have one ready for you to cover. So we're going to use this tool. The button has 2 components. It has the half ball, as they call it, outer part of the button, and it has a back, which has the shank that actually attaches to the pillow. So this is a little cup affair that's in plastic, and you put your circle inside of that. And then you can press this into it, take the top of the button, and then you want to get that fabric kind of manipulated down inside of that half circle, half dome, I guess it's called, half ball. And if you're having a little trouble, you can use a little tool, maybe the end of your scissors, to make sure there aren't any little bits of raw edges that are going to hang out. All right. What's nice about the dupione is that it does kind of hold a crease, so it kind of stays in place a little bit better than some of the more slippery silks. Now I take the other part of the cover, which is the back side of the pillow, and this is the shank that actually gets attached to the pillow, so that has to remain up. Center that inside that circle. Take the second part of the tool, place it on top, and give that a little punch. You can hear it click in. And then because of the flexibility of this tool, you just peel the button out, and you have a finished button.